Yo, hello, good morning. Hopefully this is going through. All right. Yeah, so I'm getting bookmap up. Kind of feeling under the weather this morning. News at 9 today. Screenshot that. Down minus 2K, all because of yesterday. One thing I forgot to mention. Was this trade here on MES short, which is this one. So, where's my drawing tool? All right, so this is the target opening range was set 430. 445 right here. Really late in the day trade, but this is beautiful back into range. Price breaks back in. Let's see about this green brush. All right, cool. So, you see price holds all of these levels there. On the view up. So first time using that brush tool, so just getting used to it. Anyway, back to range a little late. This could have been an entry. This could have been an entry. Stop loss up here. Stop loss moved once price would be adjusted. Stop loss would be adjusted from this level. If you got in here, if you got in late like I did, stop loss would be there. Previous structure. Nice back into range play. Long, had to wait it out, but it worked out. This white line for today is now a black line. It is yesterday's view up. I'm gonna go to today's price action. This is MES. Really don't know why. Oh, I see. Here you go. I like it when it's like that. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. Under the weather here. White. Boom. Setting it that high and low within the first 15 minutes. Looks like we're bullish here. Some bulls and buy orders. More bear orders. Oh wait, this is CME. It's reload bookmap. As that loads. So we check the news. 9 o'clock. I should be finished trading by 9 a.m. So yeah, definitely over traded, over risked. Just a bad day. First day streaming as well. There, but let's go start of the day. Template. Import image. Boom. So this is the news we have for today, but again, I should be out by 9 a.m. Way before that, probably like 6. So I have my account there. My hat. Grab. There we go. Looking for light because that removes a lot of algos. See a little different. A little different, but we're bearish this morning. Well, get some orders above us, no orders below, so maybe bullish. Although the CVD shows bearish. Again, we have kind of a mixed bag here. Price doesn't know what it wants to do. We'll just wait. We've got 2 more minutes for the open. Looks like price will probably hit yesterday's levels. Again, we'll remove all of this. Readjust. I am trading off of the 1-minute chart. This was also the squeeze here that did fail because it's wick, but eventually worked out. But I digress. Yesterday was just a bloodbath for me. We're gonna approach it a lot smarter today. Only risking 1 contract. Try to get back these wins in the wheat grain. Still possible. So there we go. First 15-minute range is set. Alright, so we'll see what price wants to do. So I have an iPad here. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys could see me as well, but I have my iPad, and the reason why I have an iPad because, well, I'm only trading off of 1 monitor here. And what I like to do is have M&Q or MES on one screen, and my main trade, if like I'm in MES, I'll have M&Q on the iPad. Real small iPad. It's like this 13-inch or whatever it is. All right, cool. So yeah, it's on the 5 minutes. Go to the 1 minute. So yeah, I think price is gonna hit. Yeah, the New York VWAP. We'll see what happens, what it wants to do from there. What is Bookmap? Bookmap is bullish. What we're most likely going to be looking for is something like this, if it sustains. Ideally, it'd be awesome if it goes like this. Retest as New York VWAP moves up, break out of the range. Boom. Take that. That's a bounce play. MQ looks like it'll hit it a little sooner though. So we just sit and wait. We wait on our hands. Wait till both MES and M&Q are in agreement. Ooh. It is. Not in the mood to force things today. Yeah. I mean, there's more orders bullish on MEQ, of course, as price goes up. More orders are going to magnetize to these levels. So let's see, where's the New York view at? 671. Yeah, this thing's going to rip through. Like specifically MEQ, I mean, there's absolutely no orders except, I mean, yeah, a little bit here. These could be stop loss orders. Nothing below, nothing above. More above than below. 51 up here. Is that just one entity? 51. Yeah, it's not. It's 25712. Beautiful. All right, cool. So let's mark this level here. Might be aggressive. So this is the next level here. You know, let's change it to like yellow. So look at all these orders coming in. That was MES. Since I'm focused on MEQ, switch it to MES on my little screen. Okay, cool. So we have nice. Once price breaks out, what we do then is put the anchored VWAP. Another anchored VWAP called the handoff. Oh wow, got a runny nose. Alright, let's see what happens. Price can do this as well. Would be a nice play. Back into range. Boom. That way, it's more favorable because it's not a reversal. It's more favorable because you have yesterday's view out and today's view out. And it price look lower low. So I'm looking at lower low, lower high. Can we see it? What else? I mean, Q is bearish. MES, not so much. MEQ is also showing. Okay, there we go. Now we got bear orders. Bearish orders. No more bear biased. How's that 2710? 2710 looks like it was pulled. Yeah. Oh, 12. It was pulled, so let's see what happens here. That just got pulled. Yanked. Yoinked. Just so you can see what MES looks like. Same concept. Handoff. MES kind of all over the place. I mean, look at the heat map. Heat map is lower. This could be stop loss here. 51. Yeah. I say it goes, honestly. Q. Well, wait. Not gonna force anything here. If the yesterday's view out, what the black line again? If that was below us, I'd probably be long MES, or I would be long MES. But this is a good target too. Here to here, easy. How many points is that? 6 points. You got a pretty good range too. 17 ish. All right. Gonna get ready to short this. Yeah, orders are thick below. Boom. There we go. Prices below. This is a back into range play. This 2 minutes going to be important. Q is bearish as well. I mean, the orders are bearish. Solid 25.6, yeah. So already is 25.6, so not too bad. That could be stop loss orders. All right, so this 2 minute, hopefully it holds. Boom. Okay, cool. So we got 2 bars below anchor VWAP, New York VWAP. Oh yeah. I'm going 1 MNQ. Yeah. Stop right there. We'll see what it wants to do. How much is 1? 107. Okay. What level did I get in? 25622. 25622. Yes, now a lot of buy orders have been taken off. More sell orders coming on. It's a good sign for the trade. And Q still got strong levels to the downside. Might want to watch 2600 level. Might not go all the way here, but I could take it. Could be creating a higher high. You just want to be careful with it. More orders, 26.9. Oh, all the way down at the range. Yeah, nice. All right, MES, beautiful. See, I like MES short here if it holds. Strong sell orders now. Again, this would be favorable because ooh, it'll be favorable because the VWAPs. Sorry, lost my train of thought. VWAPs were solid. So let's see what happened. MES broke below, so I'll just show you MES real quick. Now it's bullish. So here, so that would be a big back into range play. MES bullish. So a lot of buy orders are coming on Q. Sound off is irrelevant now. Yeah, we got M&Q orders solid at 17. Not gonna let this guy pull back. I'll take that small win. MES still short. So MES will provide a nice short. Another back into range. Some small, like $100, I think. 170. So here we go. MES now. I'm providing a pullback. I want to see this. This is now irrelevant. Good to see though. Buy orders. We'll look to go long if, yeah, I'll hold that. Hold those levels. We'll look to go long. MQ. Let's take a screenshot of this. It was a nice play. 25.6. You know, it did it. That's why following bookmap orders is so important. There we go. Here's the chart. Here's the bookmap. Let's take a screenshot. So this is during that time, 4:53. Yeah. Oh wait, let's redo this. 56, 4:53. Yeah, right there. Look at that level. Beautifully touched. Oh, here we go. Yeah, second entry or no? Boom. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. What does it want to do? If that could hold, I'll take a short. I want to see the 2-minute hold though before I go short. I'm just looking more bullish than bearish. Go short one order. Yeah, it's solid. I mean, that's a solid bearish close right there. Still more bearish orders. Yeah, I like it. To range. Said we'll be waiting for it back into range. Play nice rejection here. It's a lot of orders above us. I mean, this might be that way. If it goes, could go either way. So 5, 6, 3, 7. Get a break-even day right now. Let's get the high time. Oh, 5-minute just rejection. Nice rejection levels there. Ooh, solid support right there too. Just be ranging, huh? Yeah, not liking it. We'll see what it does here. If price breaks back in, we could hold it. Still a lot more orders on the downside. More one entities up here wants to pull it higher. Yeah, so we'll hold. Maybe a little premature on me. Show you guys MES. MES just hovering on here. Looks like they'd want to do something like this. So recent stop level, higher highs, you know? Target there. Be nice. Nice play. On MES. Need more CBD showing more bear or bull orders. Yeah, there's nothing bull order or bear orders coming off of MEQ, so we're gonna close it into close it, shut it down. MES second break. This would be a bounce play here. There we go. Bounce. Target 655. I'm long. MNQ will have to break out of that range. So first trade. Let me make some notes here. First trade. Yeah, that's good. So we'll take a screenshot of that. Minus 200, minus 50. So we'll just wait, chill. Looks like it is just gonna be ugly. No range. I mean, no trend. Scusi. Speed back to range times 2. Sure. And second trade, MES bounce play long. All right, so let's clear the charts. We still recording? We still going? How are we doing, Chrome? Yeah. Yeah. We still live? Looks like we still live. Cool. So we 50 kind of entered at the high. Nice rejection off the top of the range. Let's see, 2 minute. That's looks like bulls being in control. Nice rejection there. 50-minute bullish. Yeah, I mean, solid day. It might be choppy like yesterday, but we'll see. Short play orders. Ooh. Long. Oh, there it is. Pulls back in. Good question to ask myself. Am I not letting my trades run? If I just took this trade right here, held it, no need to get chopped up, right? Because of price. This is why I didn't take it on my funding accounts. If price breaks back in, I'm still gonna have a short bias. But price did create a higher high right here, a higher low. It looks like price wants to pull. The yesterday's VWAP is now at key level from yesterday. Bookmap, more buy orders, sell orders on MAS. MAQ, more sell orders than buy. So again, just a lot of discrepancy. This looks bullish. This would be a fun trade idea, but I'm not taking it. Buy off of the VWAP. Tight stop. Tight stop could be here or here. Let's see what happens. Because I mean, overall price has been bullish. Look, creates a higher low right here. Just making more and more. Nice play right there. minus. Minus 50 on our funding account. So let's see what it wants today. I'm drinking a double shot. I haven't had a double shot of espresso in months. I already got a headache. But maybe because I'm congested too, so. Ooh, plenty orders, MES. I like that. Plenty orders are bullish. Oh, we have, oh, this is just one entity, so this is just throw people off. Is that 68.19? The reason why you know is because look at this, the white bar here. That's how you know it's just 527, dude. Someone really wants to make this lower. Institutional flow. Yeah, some shit say that. Could be right. Who knows? Back into rage place. So tempting. It's been like you just have to have patience kind of days, you know? Does it spill over? Do these spill over? Not looking nice. $25.6 is back on the table for MNQ. That's the target we first had on MNQ, which is pretty interesting. If you were in that idea was here. If you had that type stop loss, you'd be out. If you had it down here, the 2600s, still be in it. Good Lord, this is so ugly. I don't want to be in this type of market. I'll say this, if price pulls back down, closes here, if we go back into like the beginning, my bias was to short this for a back into range play. So this will be my manual stop right there with a strong close. I need like this bearish candle here at 513. If it does something like that here or like this here, I'll probably close my trade. Okay, so we at minus 280 right now. Not bad, not bad. So this is my trade Zella there. 15 is still looking pretty solid. Solid bullish. I don't ever look at the daily, but if you guys are curious how it looks, that's how it looks. Solid bull trend. I'm sorry, I'm not usually this gala like. But here we are. Family's been sick. It's the holiday season. I mean, queue buy orders coming out. That might be the buy order you want to be in. Now it's squeezing between these two. So we're at 518 right now. First hour of the day is coming up. And that'll be a good indicator, like what it wants to do. Hopefully it breaks out of a range, either to the downside or to the upside. As long as we get a trend going, that's what I want. That's what we want to see. Nice hold of the handoff VWAP. I feel like I'm getting worse as I talk. The longer I'm on this stream. Okay, so the next point of control is this handoff here. The reason being is because price broke down below this range and back into the range, didn't go below the New York VWAP, went back above, had a strong bullish close. It's beautiful, very beautiful. Now we hydrate with regular electrolytes. Still, don't let this type of order throw you off. It's just one major entity. It's MNQ. MES solid buy order 68.55. Yep. So I got my stop there. That's where the orders are at. We'll make that yellow so we know. 68.55. So my stop or my take profit's right there at 25. Again, looks like price doesn't want to go higher, dude. MNQ. Double top. Are we creating a level here? Like this. I mean, anyone could see this level, right? For price to show a nice back into range play to go short. Give it to me, baby. We'll take what the market gives. Not in anything yet, so still waiting. It's a fun idea though, this long. You know, if you were in this long, maybe think about taking profits just short. Even like holding it to this level at 507 at 651 level, just because the way price has been. Who knows if it wants to even reach the high range that day. Or today, I mean. High of range of the day. Oh god, bullish again. Oh, we're in the green. Just patience. I think this will play out just because of these orders here. All up above us. Between this whole section, there's orders all up in here. And the price will probably take it. MQ. Yes. Just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. While I wait, I browse X. 70 degrees out in Evo right now. Thus the winter, right? It ain't even that cold, but it's comfy. I want to be as comfortable as possible when I'm trading. We're 7 minutes away from close of the first hour. See, there you go. Actually, price does hit. So let's reverse this guy here. This is the trade that I said be a fun trade to try. It ends up working out here or here, whatever level you choose. But you want to make sure you have a safe enough stop loss, which is the recent structure. So this is a good screenshot to put in for ideas. Yeah. Or orders. Yeah, orders is kind of all over. So again, you see like a lot of orders are here below. These could just be stop loss orders, take profit orders. We just don't know. MES. Actually, maybe there is a way to find out. I just don't know how right now. I'm very new to Bookmap. 6847. So 40, 48. Where's 48 at? A lot of orders here at 48. This is nice, man. I think it's gonna be a good long. Look at that. This whole level. An extension. Yeah. Yep. I don't even look too deep into it either. Like when I'm trading, I'm just kind of bored right now, being patient, sitting on hands, not forcing anything. So we have handoff view up, New York view up. Then we also have high range. So we have a few things going in our favor. Book map orders. Let's see. We still have that strong entity below at 618. Damn, 618 is like down here, dude. That would create a new low. Yeah. On MES for the week. MQ. Still same thing. So we got two entities short on ES and MQ. So pretty interesting there. I like this short. I like the shorts. Versus guy. My thought is this could tip over. You know, we get a stronger close, something again like this. Swap bias, go short. All accounts. Finally, 3 minutes away from the first hour. But we're not bearish just yet. We need confirmation. I stopped using the iPad. Let's get back on that. We'll watch M and Q on the left. MES right in front of us. I mean, MES has a better opportunity for sure once this breaks below the VWAP. I'm still gonna hold it just because price has just been choppy. Does look bearish though. This is MES. MNQ. MNQ is very bearish. MES bearish. 1 minute. 2 minute. Yeah. MNQ is rejecting. Don't go too early. There you go, MEQ. With a day like this, you don't want to go too early. You want to make sure price closes. To go up now, maybe it goes down. Maybe. Maybe there's another opportunity to go long. I don't know. I don't like that, though. Don't like that. Looks like it's just going to create this little range here. There we go. Didn't close it. Just holding it. Again, it is still only like one major entity down here. You know what I mean? That's why I'm not totally convinced of the shorts just yet. Same with MNQ. One minute. Boom, 5:30. Maybe we'll get some volatility here. What's the 15-minute at? A nice bull close outside of the range on the 15. Solid. I mean, Q15, rejection. So both indices showing opposite views. But I mean, this is regardless key levels here. It's choppy levels here. Okay. Now the bears finally want to step in, maybe. And for a trade like this, it'd be easier to put size on. Because after all this consolidation now, like maybe price finally wants to do something. Barracuda. Let's go. I need a strong 2-minute close before I close this trade. Could be it. If we take a look at MNQ, MNQ still hasn't broken below the view up. That'll be a nice play though. MES just continues to tank. See 2-minute. Will the 2-minute hold or will it sink? Get ready to short this guy. Still got a few seconds left. $15. Damn. Doesn't want to go short yet. Bookmap is bearish. MEQ bullish on MES. Hate when price action does stuff like that. We'll go short MES. MES, MEQ, MES. So this bounce fails. Little late entry here. I need to get my stop losses in. Close the limit order. Oh my god, what the heck? Alright. Bad order, bad placement. $5.36 finally getting some movement. Oh, I don't have a sell stop, so let's go ahead. I get a stop loss order on this guy. Being a little aggressive here. Just because of the way price action's been today. 35. Small profit. $400, $500. So I think this goes to this level here. I'll close. Let me. So I'm going to take off 10, leave 1 running. Lock that in. And we'll trail it. So got a beautiful back to range play. I've been calling it the whole time. This is what I wanted to see. Finally got it. So order doesn't fill. $5 in profit. Yes. Yes, could still go lower. 31s. $33. I'll close at 33. Oh yeah, $10. Let's go ahead and just stop. Break even. Last thing I want is price to pull back and take me out. 20 minus $20 on the day. Did get in late on this play, so that's unfortunate. I think we still go lower though. I was patient for the setup. I could be patient for the take profit. Hopefully, take $10. Yeah. So price hits. Oh yeah, come on. Why did it? I didn't know it was gonna ask me. Are you sure you want all this closed? I could have got 10, but whatever. Take it. $5 on the day for that. M and Q. Oh, I was looking at M and Q. See, I messed up. I should have been looking at MES on my iPad, not MNQ. MNQ hits these levels. I still think we break it and go lower, but trade what you see, not what you think. It's a great lesson there. So clawing our way back from our big duty day.
Sorry, your voice assistant is turned off. Please turn it off again.
So it's a break-even day on my funding accounts. We got 2 minutes before this 15-minute close. Like, I think it's gonna be a real nice short if it could hold this 15-minute. I have to go soon anyway. It's 5:42, so it's a good trading day. At least I'm ending a little green, a little bit. Go take it out. Oh, wow, 15-minute pullback would be insane. Have a nice entry though. Yeah, price doesn't even hit its lows. Phew. Wow. Still in it. I'm gonna close that one. We'll see what happens here. Let's take a screenshot of what happened. 534. On MES. Yes, rejection. Okay. There you go.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day. $70 in profit. Oh, good lord. This is a bad day overall. Like, bad closing. Copy this. Q to range. Short. All right. Go ahead and mark these guys. Put these guys in our Discord. Trade floor. There we go. Let's clear the charts. Oh god, price has been ugly this week, man. But, I mean, that's a nice play though. Beautiful back into range, back into range, back into range. Even this is technically one, but all right. Well, that was fun. Hopefully that was entertaining to watch. I know trading's boring, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? It's good fun. Small green day. Yay.